So OnePlus has finally confirmed the launch date for its highly anticipated flagship phone, the OnePlus 13. So October 31st is the date when OnePlus will launch the OnePlus 13. The company has also shared a poster of the device. The OnePlus 13 will come in three colors. The white dawn variant features the latest silk glass technology, providing a sleek and elegant appearance. The blue moment stands out as the industry's first to introduce baby skin texture, offering a soft skin-like feel. Lastly, the Obsidian Secret debuts with an ebony wood grain glass finish, presenting a unique and refined look reminiscent of natural wood. The OnePlus 13 will get a slight refresh in camera design. Unlike the OnePlus 12, the camera module doesn't fuse with the frame of the device. The circular camera module houses three cameras and an LED flashlight. A metallic ring surrounds the camera module, adding a touch of elegance and distinguishing the camera area from the rest of the back panel. There is a horizontal line that extends from the camera module to the edge and has the H logo on it. The sides of the phone are metallic, contributing to the premium feel. The front features a flat 6.82-inch BOE X2 display with 2K resolution. It's a crispy clear display that supports 120Hz refresh rate. The BOE X2 display is the world's first to achieve DisplayMate A++ certification. The OnePlus 13 will be one of the first devices to feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC and will come with a whopping 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. One of the highlighting feature of the OnePlus 13 is gonna be its cameras. It has a triple camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-808 sensor. The main camera might be paired with a pair of two Sony LYT-600 sensors for ultra-wide and telephoto shots. It'll get power from a 6000 mAh battery, which will support 100-watt fast wired and 50-watt fast wireless charging. For security, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner will be present underneath the display. So that's everything we know about the OnePlus 13, and let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.